Alright, so this is Chapter 8, Review number 27. We're allowed to use a calculator to find the decimal answer in the end. We're trying to find the parametric, or the length of the parametric curve when x equals 3 cosine t and y equals 2 sine t when t is between 0 and 2 pi. So we're going to use this equation right here, and for that we don't need x and y, but we need dx, dt, and dy, dt. So I'm going to get those real quick. Alright, so I just calculated that out. Pretty simple derivatives. So dx, dt is negative 3 sine t, and dy, dt is 2 cosine t. So now we're just going to plug all this into this equation here. The arc length of a parametric curve is equal to the integral from 0 to 2 pi of the square root of this entire thing squared. So 9 sine squared t plus this entire thing squared. So 4 cosine squared t dt. So now on your calculator, what you're going to want to do is click the y equals button on the top left, and you're going to get to a screen that looks like this, and you're going to plug in y1 is equal to the square root of 9 sine squared t, or actually x you're going to put in here, plus 4 cosine squared x. You're going to plug all that in there, and then do second quit. So you're back to the normal computing page, and then you're going to go click the math button, go to fn int, and then click that. So we have fn int, it's open parentheses, and we're going to go to vars, which is over on the right hand side kind of. And then yvars function y1, so it looks like that, comma x, just click that, comma, and then the same range, so 0 to 2 pi. And when you solve this, you should get, so it calculates for a little bit, but eventually it'll give you, if you did everything right, 15.865. You're going to want to leave it to 3 decimal points for the AP exam. This tough part about the calculator is making sure that you put in the y1 value of all this, and make sure you get all your parentheses right, because there's no actual sine squared button. You have to do 9 and then put a parentheses around sine x, and square all of sine x, and then do the same thing for cosine. So you gotta make sure all your parentheses line up. Gotta make sure that your y1 is before your x and everything for fn int, and it should work out. You should get about 15.865.